Hey guys, welcome. I'm Tracy. This is my channel, Tracy from the Mermaid Cove. I had myself a nice little 2-hour rest. I wouldn't say I really slept, but I rested. And now I just cleaned out my refrigerator, and I found some sort of old things. And well, you know, citrus fruit is so hardy. So I'm going to peel it all up. And then just ready to have it go. I have my strawberries. I had a few strawberries, and then I got the kind out of the freezer. I'm not sure how that's going to work because those didn't look that great either. Probably just bad strawberry crops, right? So I might be sticking to getting less fruit at one time. I mean, there's a grocery store right where I work, so yeah. So I'm just kind of prepping up this. I have tons of peppers, so I'm gonna grill up some peppers, an onion, and tomatoes. This one, I don't think so. It looks a little scary. So it's amazing how they just kind of go dry, like the juice. I mean, they're still kind of juicy, but not like when they're juicy. I feel like somebody brought us fruit that was in the refrigerator, but no one really said. So I'm gonna grab a couple things of that. Now I have these 3 really old but kind of interesting apples, so I might do a quick apple fry with them. Yeah. And then, so do the pan fried sheets of the peppers. Now a couple are really good, still crunchy kind of peppers. So I'm gonna save those, cut them up and have them for my like hummus or baba ganoush. As a matter of fact, I need to try, y'all, this is not one to... I used to have one of those, a really good peeler that I got when I was in 6th grade from Florida. So, yeah. I'm a little worried about Clara. I mean, not rush to the emergency hospital, but I'm going to try to get her vet to let me bring her in tomorrow. And just, I don't know. Just give her the once over. I mean, her head's always stuffed up. So, oops, oh, I moved you. So let's see what's been going on. So, kind of went through fabrics. I'm going to show you what I'm going to keep, which is a lot because this is a fabric I know I bought. I remember most of it. And stuff I'm putting in the pile to let go of. Yeah, no, like I said, I want to sit down and do some art. I still want to put on some DVD of yoga. I want to try to get that practice going. I did run out for like a 10-minute quick walk because it's cold, y'all. But I eat that one right now. It's just okay. Oh, it's tough. So that will be good with fruit. Strawberries I have at least for a couple days. See what's at work that someone bought us. And then, yeah, I have like a Trader Joe's lemon kind of loaf cake mix, and I have lots of lemon, so I'm going to make that for tomorrow, but I might wait in case I don't go and go Tuesday. Let's see. And then, yeah, this is expiring soon, and yeah, I don't want all these lemons to go to waste. And I forgot my friend Jenny got me this yummy Alfredo, and I need to eat it soon. It's in the freezer. So I'm thinking I might do the Alfredo. So I'm going to do the peppers with the sausages and then kind of dish them up. So I have a couple meals from it. And then I think I'm going to have the fettuccine tonight. And I have everything frozen, so I need to take that out. And then she got, so I have a little shrimp to put on it, a sauce, and I have pepper. I gotta get some like grated or, you know, shredded, just like Parmesan, but I had that 4 cheese mix from Quattro from the Joe's, y'all. think Beverly gave me these after Christmas. Someone sent her some. Anyway, I'll have a better chance of grabbing them. Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. Do you guys do food prep? Those of you who are still working, or maybe if you're not working, just to have sort of food. My friend Mary and I, she does not like to cook, but she didn't like to eat either. I mean, she likes certain things, but you know, some of us are eating, thinking about our next meal, right? You're either that kind of way or you're not. It has to do with leptin and ghrelin hormones. Anyway, so yeah, so I think now that I'm, this is definitely from Beverly in Florida. I thought I ate these all up, but oh my gosh, that's good, even older. But you know, I just got to get to where I can just go in the grocery store, grab a couple things and come out. I think that will serve me in the fruit department. I have a bag of salad left, so I might have this little Caesar salad with my fettuccine tonight. And then that will give me at least a meal for tomorrow for lunch, probably. I think this is grapefruit, but I even think of the word grapefruit, y'all. I think of having to have grapefruit, that grapefruit diet in the 70s. And like having dry toast and that horrible cabbage soup, literally. But that's not grapefruit's fault, y'all. So I don't think it's a blood orange. I don't know, y'all. What is that? Grapefruit? I always thought it was grapefruit. It's huge, but you know, they hybrid so much stuff now. Anyway, and y'all, I have to wrestle with my freezer. It's a thing. I want to find that turkey meat, and then I'm gonna bring the potatoes and let you think, see what y'all think. Don't want to, as I told my good friend Nito, you don't want to get sick over a $4 thing, right? You don't. But I have like 2 yogurts. I got y'all, I threw everything out. It wasn't that much really. Some yogurts. I'm really, I'm just not the biggest yogurt person. Occasionally I go through like a Farpay. And that is dyslexia, not a parfait, whatever I said, pay. It's a thing. So, oh yeah, it's this one again. Wow. And you know what? I have a peppermint one that's like more like a dessert than like one you would have in the morning. And I have a vanilla one from the Great Value brand. I just wanted to see if I would liked it. I do like Noosa, and I do like like Yoplait, or We has a new one, like I think it's raspberry and chocolate. But you know what? Again, if I want to buy 1 or 2, because just not my thing. Ooh, this is gonna be good, y'all. Oh, and we're coming up to fruit season. I'm gonna go take y'all with me to the Asian store, and we're gonna find some interesting fruit to try. Not a lot, like I can't go in there and get like enough for 12 people and get upset. But I'd like to go in there and show you, and then try something, and then look at my footage, and y'all, we can talk about what maybe I could try next. See what y'all want me to try. So, I don't know all the details, but y'all pray for my friend Mark, Sue and Mark. He's having some kind of heart procedure. I need to talk to her about that. So I probably will not be able to do my Girl Scout cookies with them this year, but save them some to try and share them at work. Y'all, look at that yumminess. Eat up what you got, girlfriend. That's the motto. Eat what you got. Okay. Okay. These things, y'all, they just can't go in the dishwasher. I found one. So these are sparkling water cran raspberry by Lidl. I found one in my fridge. I have any more. I know I have some in the garage, so I'll be heading out there. And you know, hold on, let me get some peppers, y'all. So some I'm going to cut into wedges. The ones that are these are pretty. These are definitely, yeah. So these I'm going to cut into wedges so I can, I mean, do y'all want to see this? I'm not sure. I think I'd rather talk to you than, well, then you all can see when I cut up my fingers. Okay, so I've watched videos on people cutting up fruit and vegetables, but I get impatient, y'all. All right. Okay, so this is going to be for my hummus. I have one thing of hummus, one thing of baba ganoush, and tzatziki. So I got to look at that because I know once I open, I want to try the baba ganoush. Let's do, I'm curious to see. I usually cut them differently, but oh well. And you know, so we'll try some of the, well, we'll try some of these dipped in the baba ganoush. Look at all these little baby peppers. Y'all, how hard is it to grow peppers? I would love to grow, all right, I know green onion. My friend Michelle says not hard. Cilantro, would be great to grow some of my own peppers. You know, I'm just going to scatter stuff down for, you know, I don't know what I'm going to do. Y'all can't, I'm not ready to face thistles yet. But I just feel like you know, I love me some sunlight, but I feel like we never really got winter, at least here. I know some of y'all are laughing like, oh yeah, we got some winter, but I don't feel like we did here, right? Oh, I don't know. Look at those babies, little babies. Okay, there's that right there. Like, throw this in the on the sheet pan. Okay. I know it's smart to get your stuff and prep them, and I'm going to try to, or say, okay, if I haven't prepped them by Sunday, then I cut them up Sunday. But I'm really working on, y'all, not rushing and filling up the coffers, because I got, you know, maybe we should do a thing where I just reach in and grab a couple things, and then we figure out how to make something with it. Stuff is coming off this. Let's try. Oh no, that's a weird taste. Huh. Y'all, that's strange. Can a pepper look good but then be bad? So these are the ones I want for the sheet pan. And Beverly and I got some food from Moby Dick, which is not usually my favorite, but I love their rice, and their chicken kebabs are really good. So I have this like lemon sort of dressing left. So I thought what I would do is just throw these in a bag and then use that to marinate. Now this one feels like has definitely seen better days. So how do y'all cut your peppers? I'm in it, like I'm a very impatient cutter. Get that from Mama Johnson. But these are I just love them roasted. So I gotta look for y'all. I'm scared, but I gotta look for that turkey in my freezer and take everything out. And I just kind of read a bunch of different recipes, and then what I'm going to do is just sort of combine everything together, some cream of mushroom soup or chicken soup, and put it in my casserole thingy and bake it. I just don't know if the stuffing needs to be actually cooked before it goes in. That much I have to figure out, but I don't know, something weird on this side. So let's get all this off. Let's try this side, y'all. The nice little thing I got from Trader Joe's. A bad knife, I know that, y'all. But look at all this, I'll be using it up. So Beverly and I and Angela went to this place called Sweet Clover, and we just, Beverly and I have been missing going there, and we've been thinking about going, but on Instagram, they're closing their barn, and they're going to reopen somewhere else, but, again, something else we love that's gone, but of course, without Angela, it was... we really could. We always like, let's go this month. Angela would want us to go, and we just couldn't. So now we can go there, and it can be, fresh, kind of new thing. But again, oh my gosh, something closing, something changed, huge change. But we found this sort of antique mall. At first, Beverly thought it was crazy expensive, but now that she's been on Etsy buying stuff for like some art projects. And, and all the shipping is so expensive. She has a new appreciation for that place. So, so we might do a Goodwill in that place kind of run. Okay. Yeah. Well, this is much more fun with y'all. I dropped something. All the inners. Okay. So I think what I'll do, trying to eat this up, y'all. I ate my, no idea what time it is, y'all. It's almost 5. So I ate up on my food from brunch. I kind of picked at it all day. So good. Then I had some jelly beans. I had a jelly bean taste test. I'll have to load that up for y'all with some Dollar Tree stuff. Okay, so I'm going to be back. Some onion and tomatoes in the bag to put these things in. Okay, guys, it's just so good hanging out with y'all. It is really something. Well, let's just start. Look at this cute thing Mark and Sue gave me. So I just keep it over my trusty dusty Trader Joe's. They have this sum that comes out every year, a special kind. Beverly loved it. I gave her mine, but I'm gonna try to find some. So let's just get the olive oil. So y'all, this is the thing from Moby Dick. It's very weird is they don't have on there any information about it, but it's like a lemon. Oof. Just tastes really good. Put that in there. See, I'm not wasting it, y'all. That's right. It's well within the bounds. I have some Wishbone red wine vinaigrette, which I love. Okay, so I have some herbs de Provence from Trader Joe's. My brother loves these things. So I am going to put a good old heaping thing on it. That's enough. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a super flavorful girl. Now we're going to put our peppers in here. Y'all, and a hint of the reds. Just a hint, y'all. Just a little bit. And this is like a new thing for me. New since my mom died, maybe even. Y'all, I have this at work now. I love it on my pizza. So the other thing I have are these corn dog. I don't know where I got these, y'all. Corn dog wraps. So I thought maybe I could do one of my Polish sausages like a corn dog. Try it. I don't know. Got to use it or get rid of it. So, now I just have to cut up the onion. So y'all, excuse me, y'all. This might be a little personal. Massage your all your veggies together, right? It's a very sensual experience here. Like I said, it's almost 5 o'clock. I'd like them to sit in the fridge for a little bit. And like I said, even if I don't eat them tonight, right, y'all, then I prefer these to be a little bit like this, like rounded. So let's do, like I said, I'm down to 1 uncut onion. And this is some onion I was using on my taco stuff this week. I had taco meat. I had hamburgers with onion on them. I had taco meat. So I knew I had to eat protein, y'all. And I knew I needed to stay away from sugar. You know, coping mechanism with sugar. I worked really hard not to do that. And I did a good job. So, but I knew I had to eat protein. Especially when we're doing such, honest to God, physical labor. But I'm going to show you my hand thing I got too. Oh no, this feels weird. I don't like it. Something's not right. This one I just cut. This feels okay. So I know, y'all, this is where I get in trouble. So I'm going to just try to like that. Also, I was craving French fries this week, but opted for pico de gallo and chips instead. But I have y'all. I have tater tots. Tater tots, you know. I know y'all are nervous, so let's see. Let me do this away from me. World's worst cutter. And I should get out my better one. Yeah, I got to vacuum up my floor. So let's get this out. Maybe, okay. We'll just do some hunks, right? Different. I love, oh my gosh, when they do like a kebab on the grill, I love hunks of onion. So if you keep telling a friend, invite me over, and they don't, does that mean that they don't like you, or they're just busy, or they just don't think about it? What do y'all think that means? Well, I guess, you know, I have to stop asking, right? Because, you know, that's embarrassing, but I don't know. I'm thinking I might be on the 3rd or 4th time, so we'll see how that goes. Things change, right? Y'all, what does that mean? Does that mean anything? Am I throwing away perfectly good onion? Looks like, no. All right, just for the sake of not cutting this up, y'all. That's what I'm going to do. just for the sake of my fingers. Y'all, I did not cut myself. Okay. So do you think, is that enough? So I think what I have to do is a little bit like that, right? Let's see if that Ziploc bag works. Woo, little onion in the eye. Okay, so wow, y'all. Oof, a little delayed onion. So I'm gonna unload my dishwasher. Actually, I'm gonna go outside while it's still light because I feel like, I don't know when it gets dark now. As I've said, I've been in a bit of a crisis. So things like that just don't matter. Y'all, this is yummy. And I'm gonna share this, of course. But how about like, okay, so I'm gonna have sausage, but I could really, I could make just some chicken, cut up chicken maybe and throw in here, and then I could have this on tortilla. I found some older tortillas. So I think with I usually try to brown them or blacken them on the grill, my stove. So y'all, I'm trying very hard not to be completely obsessed about looking at my burners. I mean, it's never happened in my life, so okay, so that's gonna be vegetables. It's for like 3 days, right? I got salad. I got frozen stuff from the Joe's, and then I think I got Polish sausages. I've got 4 big ones, I think, or they're, yeah. So do you want to try a couple of those corn dog things? So I don't know. I should put them in the oven. I really like my sausages like almost burnt. So I don't know if I might do them on the in my pan, maybe wait and make them as I eat them. But now I think I'll make them because it's a really good thing to grab just for some protein. I'm very proud of myself, y'all. I was ready to march down to the Walmart, and and I do want some of those donuts, but I don't need them now. I'm kind of not eating, and people are bringing stuff in all the time. So, yeah, I won't refer to the donut incident, but yeah, I almost had a donut and then I didn't. Okay, all right. I just kind of hang out with y'all. Next, I'm gonna go shopping in my garage. And so I'm looking for stuff for chili. I know I have everything, y'all. I need onion and hamburger. So I'm looking for my chili stuff. I know I've got all kinds of tomatoes and beans and all that kind of stuff. Y'all, my borscht was really good this year. Then I want to see what seltzer drinks I have like this, how many I have left. I know I probably have 12, I would think, at least, maybe. And then keep an eye when some of that goes on sale. But I really like the Lidl's one. I mean, I got a bottle from Safeway, but it was sugar. Oh, was that fake sugar? I didn't like it. I'll put that for the staff to see if they like it. Yeah, so I got my chili recipe. Go shopping down there. Clean up my kitchen. I would like to go do some yoga, which again, y'all, I can't take you with me. Not yet. Y'all, I'd be very self-conscious, and I'm not usually, but yoga, yeah, you get some interesting positions. But and there's this other thing like aging gracefully or something. I think maybe I should watch that one first, because I think you dance around and kind of like flow your body, like unconsciously like that. Just sort of, just move everything around without feeling like you're working hard. That's right, y'all. Get up. Do a little flow, do a little reaching. So, oh, guys, I like you guys, and I love you guys, and thank you so much. And I don't even think I'm gonna ask people to subscribe, like, comment. Either going to or you're not, right? You know, I really don't. Well, I was gonna say I don't really hassle the friends in my real life, but I've given up. Okay, here's a recipe right here, y'all, on the table. 3 pounds chicken, ranch packet, au jus packet, butter, pepperoni peppers. Okay, so this is the exact same one as the meat one I made from Brunch with Babs and Beverly and I've been making. And she gave me the rest of her pepperoni cheese, whatever. Pepperoni cheese, those kind of peppers. So you could do it with chicken. So I have everything, including chicken, y'all. I gotta hunt out my chicken. I think I have more chicken than I probably have, but I love those chicken things you get at the Joe's or other places that are single. So I could cut this down in half, y'all. I don't have to make this. You know, it's hard to not use a whole mix-up, but I could split it and then make again and do it again. I love this thing. Again, you can use it in burritos, on salads, make sandwiches. So I thought it'd be nice to try it with chicken. One, I have chicken. I'll have to go buy a $20 pot roast thingy. Or chuck or whatever they're called. Okay. All right. Yeah, so I don't know if I'll post this and check back. Because it'll be super long. I know most of you, right now I just don't even, necessarily need new people. I just want to hang out with the people that already like me and support me. But I had some Dollar Tree I got, I can't remember if I tried to post it before I took my nap, but y'all, we're going to talk some books. I just talked books. Hopefully you'll see that before this. I don't know. We'll see. It's hodgepodge of mess. And then I'm going to try to get a little bit more regular, whatever that means, because, I didn't say normal. I said regular. Think about it. Give myself some guidelines and ideas and stuff. Okay, guys. I'll pop on later. Maybe as a part 2 of Sunday with me. Yeah. Part 2. Well, this is part 1. All right, guys.